How to process a supplier invoice. To process a supplier invoice, click the Finance tab. In the Finance dashboard, click the Invoicing button and then the Supplier Invoice Creditor button. Then click the Add New button. Select your supplier from the drop-down list. Then enter the invoice number, the invoice date, a reference number, and the pay-by date. Please note all these fields must be completed for you to save your invoice. In order to start compiling your invoice, click the Account Item button. Select the category and enter the description of the goods or services and the total cost. If everything you purchased from the supplier falls under the same category, like various stationery items, you can simply enter the total invoice amount. If, however, each line item on the invoice falls under different categories, you can enter them separately. The system will automatically calculate the VAT on the amount you have entered. When you are done, click the OK button. If you need to cancel the information added, click the Cancel button. You will notice that there is a comments field at the bottom of the invoice. This is quite useful to add notes specific to this particular invoice. You may, for example, be offered a discount if you pay before a particular date, so you can make a note of these details in this field. Once your invoice total on the system is the same as your actual invoice total, you can click the Save button. In order to search for a particular supplier's invoice, you can either select a From and To date, or you can enter the supplier's name or the invoice number, and the relevant invoice will then appear on your screen. You can also search for the supplier by name by clicking on the A to Z search. If you change the search criteria, click the Refresh button.